Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting because today we are going to learn a new thing. You can see in the title, that is the divisions of polynomial. This is going to be a very new thing in my channel. So this type of division is known as the synthetic divisions. Obviously it is a trick. So we are not going to follow our normal basic methods. So we are going to follow a trick. So in order to find out, this is the questions. Divide, this is the numbers, you have to divide it by x minus 3. So if I going to normal method, it will take a long time and there is a possibility to get a mistake, right? Because most of the times are the students doing mistake. But today I'm going to show you a trick so that students will never going to do any kind of mistake. Before that, what we have to do, we have to find the value of x. So x minus 3 is given, so I'll take x minus 3 equal 0 in order to get the value of x. So if I take this one is equal to 0, then x would be 3. Now you have to divide these expressions by 3. So see the polynomials, 6x to the power 3 minus 25x to the power 2 plus 18x plus 9. This is a polynomial, right? So in order to solve it, divide it by x minus 3, be sure that the variables should be in descending order. The power of the variables should be in descending order. Here in that case, x to the power 3, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, x to the power 0. So that are in descending order. So in order to solve this type of problems in a synthetic method, you should be sure that all the variables should be in descending order. Here it is same. So what you have to do, you have to divide it by 3 since the value of x is 3. So I'll take here only the coefficients of x cubed, that will x, and the coefficients of x squared, that is minus 25, right? Coefficients of x is 18 and the coefficient of constant term, that is constant term is 9, right? Now in the further what we'll do, how we'll simplify in that case. So first digit you have to carry forward, you have to bring it down 6, then you have to multiply 3 with 6. What you will get, 3 into 6, 18, right? Plus 18. Now you have to subtract. If you subtract, you will get minus 7. Now again same, this one you have to multiply by this, again this one multiply by this. 3 into minus 7, that will give you minus 21, right? If you subtract, you will get minus 3. Again the same thing, this multiply with a minus 3, you will get that is minus 9, right? Minus 9. So plus 9 minus 9 is 0. So the question is that we got the value, we got the answer. Question is 6x squared minus 7x minus 3. This is the question, and the remainder is, since it is 0, the remainder is 0. So this is the answer. So isn't it a very new thing for you? Yes, I think for you. But if you have any doubt in your mind, then feel free to write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you.